Welcome. This is a Nodalist canvas. Each node holds a piece of information about someone's problem, connected to each other in an order that tells the story. This is Ethan. He's struggling to choose his career. Every option seems to cost him something. Now, let's see what AI storming does with all of this. After selecting the node, you can launch AI storming. 6 top AI models are ready to debate. These models are best AI models in the world. Pick one to moderate, choose your participants, and decide between fast or thinking models for each. Once you start the session, round 1 begins. Each model responds with its position, and they all see everything you've connected to your question, every fact, every tension, every constraint. In the next round, they see what each other said and start disagreeing. That's the whole point. 6 perspectives arguing through your question with the full context you've built. You can click read on any response to dig into a model's full reasoning or continue to advance the debate. With each round, the models refine, rebut, and challenge each other, and the argument gets sharper. Click Check Consensus, and the moderator decides if the panel actually converged. Here it did, and the way it happened matters. The models didn't just average their positions or take a vote. They built on each other's ideas, round after round, until a real consensus emerged. Click Create Report, and the moderator builds the structured write-up. Agreements, disagreements, what each model contributed, and concrete recommendations. You can download the full transcript to keep, then add the report to your canvas. Drop it in, connect it to your question, and the result becomes part of your thinking, not a separate document you'll forget about. AI storming offers an experience you won't find anywhere else. When it matters most, it helps you think it through. Nodalist AI, your AI thinking partner.